Welcome to Unit 10. This unit is all about greatness. Great inventions, great video games, great sports teams. You'll learn about the best-selling video game ever and look at some inventions that changed the world. You'll also practice using passives in all tenses. My favourite game is Scrabble. Scrabble was invented in the 1930s. It is produced in 29 different languages. Over 150 million sets have been sold worldwide. Vocabulary and speaking focuses on words that go together. We'll look at noun plus noun combinations. For example, toothbrush. Verb plus noun combinations. For example, play cards. And adverb plus adjective combinations. For example, well known. Do you like football? Who's your favourite team? In reading and speaking, you'll learn about one of the most popular football clubs in the world, Manchester United. You can also watch a video about the life-changing power of football and a special kind of World Cup. What do you think is the most common habit around the world? Pencil biting? Chewing gum? Knuckle cracking? Find out in listening and speaking. In everyday English, you'll look at phone numbers and expressions to use when on the phone. You'll role-play a phone call and practice the new expressions. Do you need more skills practice? Go online to improve your reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Have fun. See you soon.